everyone, so in this video we're gonna be making a DIY vacuum pump from this car pump. It costs about 10 euros, so let's get started. So the needed things are, first of all, a air compressor such as this one. It costs only 10 euros. Then a hot glue gun, some epoxy glue. It might not be good for vacuum because it off gases, so I'm using the special weld glue meant for like steel. And a clear tube just like this, and some kind of a glass or metal tube. This is pretty thin, but I mean it's pretty strong, so probably won't crush under the vacuum. And most importantly, some pliers and a screwdriver kit, because we're gonna need some screwdrivers to screw open the pump. So let's get started. Okay, so first the vacuum pump. As you can see, it can do 250 psi. Also it has this gauge, but first we have to open it. So let's screw it. There we go, it's open now. Okay, so now that we have the inside of the pump and my hands are getting greasy from it, we're gonna open the cylinder. So now that I have this part, I'm gonna take this, which is just some pliers with a rubber band. I'm gonna put this into the jaw. Now I'm gonna take this tube, I'm gonna put it here with enough glue to hold up a building. Okay, so now, as you can see, the tube is holded by some wire and it's lined up to the hole. So I'm gonna mix some of this epoxy. Okay, so it's the next day, and this is actually dried. Because I was wondering if it would harden, because this glue is super old. But okay, first we have to attach this to the cylinder. So get that down. It's this thing. Okay, so there we go, I screwed it in. Now I'm gonna place it here. Okay, so now you can see the case won't close because of the tube. So now I will lift the tube and I'll melt it with a soldering iron. I'll add the screws now. Okay, now I'll glue this tube into here so that I don't break it off, because then I will need to redo this all over again, and this took 2 days because the glue dries for so long. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the extension cord, I'm gonna click it. Wait, did the wires disconnect? No, okay. Okay, so it's surprising we got to 25 inches of mercury and slowly dropping. That's actually... it's dropping pretty slow actually. Look at the tube is crushed. Oh my god, do you see the tube? The tube is crushing itself. Okay, so this is my setup, and of course I'm doing this in my bedroom again, because why not? Here's a beaker, I'll set it here. See, a regular laboratory beaker. Set here, on there. Place the pump aside, place this in the middle, cover it. Gonna zoom in for you guys. Here, there's the marshmallow and turning on. Okay, I think it's about the maximum pressure. I don't have the pressure gauge, so I don't know, but I believe it's about 20 inches of mercury, because look how huge the marshmallow is. Look at my marshmallow. Look how big it is. It's like, oh my god, that's like so big. Yeah, by the sound I think it's probably high enough vacuum for the marshmallow at least. Let's let in there in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you made it to the end, I'm really proud of you. And if you also cannot afford a good vacuum pump, and you also do science in your bedroom, just do it in your bedroom. Just buy one of those pumps and do exactly what I did. And yes, so okay, this video was pretty good. I did the challenge. Actually, this video is kind of like a challenge, because I challenged myself to build a vacuum pump that would cost like $200. Sorry, I mean 200 euros here in Lithuania. And I wanted to build it for like 10 to 12 euros here in my bedroom, and it worked. So yeah, like always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're gonna see you next time. Bye.